Finding online writing jobs. Now that you have the tools, let's find out where to get writing jobs online. There are several ways to do this, and I'll show you how. Freelance platforms. Using freelance platforms. One way to find jobs is through websites like Upwork, EssayPro, EssayShark, StudyPool, StudyBay, Academia, and Writers Labs. You need to create an account and start applying for writing jobs. Working with direct clients. Another way is directly through clients. You can connect with them using WhatsApp, email, Telegram, or WeChat. This direct communication often allows for better payment terms and job security. Networking for opportunities. Building a network is key. Join groups on WhatsApp or Telegram where writers share job opportunities and advice. Being active in these communities can lead to great job leads. Referrals from friends. Getting work through friends. Sometimes, friends who already have these jobs can also give you work. They handle the client, and you complete the job. They pay you after the work is done. It's a good way to start if you're new. We've looked at 4 ways to find online writing jobs. Using these methods will help you start earning from your writing skills. Thank you for watching.